What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we have a different video for you guys, still tech focused as always, but this is for your home smart network. If you have pets, there is one of the best doors we got to see at CES, and this is now in-house, got it installed in about 15 minutes, and we now can show you exactly how it operates. It has a whisper quiet motor, 4-way entry and exit features, so whether you're inside or outside, you can make sure it's working for you guys. And also, your pets have a new ultrasonic collar that is waterproof to let them in and out as you need. There is a cover for the door, so if you're not home, you don't have to worry about them coming and going if you don't want them to leave, if you're fenced in, or if your yard's not fenced in, you don't have to worry about it. It's an extra peace of mind. So, in regards to the features of this, it depends on the size of your dog. For pricing, I'll throw those affiliate links up down below. Let's jump into it. So, first things first, it does have a 100% airtight and draft-free design. You have those independent entry and exit range controls, 24/7 weekly entry and exit timers. So if you have a schedule you want to put it on, you can do so in the app. It notifies you every time the door opens and closes, so you're aware when your pet is going to the bathroom or just going to get some fresh air at all times. It also has that directional sensor system, dual range controls, local or remote app controls, like I said, activity history, and it works for pets up to 125 pounds. The beauty of a door like this is if you come and go a lot, if you're busy working and you don't want your pets to be ignored and don't have an opportunity to go outside, this is going to be the easy solution for you guys. So the Power Pet roll-up door has a flap that's made of extremely tough polycarbonate material that is nearly indestructible. It is constructed with interlocking segments that form a strong, rigid panel when closed. You do also have an included wall tunnel that is made of heavy gauge aluminum with a tough powder coat finish and stainless steel hardware. And like I said, it makes installation quick and easy. What was interesting, and I'm sure a lot of you guys might be curious about it, I have a 3-panel sliding glass door. It does work with it. Once you figure out what track you need the actual door to be on, it only took about 15 minutes. What's really surprising is how quick it opens and closes. It opens in about 1 second time, and you can actually time how long in the app you want the door to stay open. So in this case, have 2 dogs. It works with one door. You can have more than 2. You can have 3, whatever you might need, but they will ultimately all work together with this single baby right here. You'll be able to actually have that ultrasonic tech work for you when you need the door to open and close. Another big selling point of this door is actually what I mentioned earlier. It is 100% airtight. Once you have everything lined up, you will use your double stick tape to ensure that there is no air that you're losing and any bugs can get in and out. It's one less thing you have to worry about with this design. It is actually pretty impressive once it's lined up exactly how it looks. One other huge plus here is with these designs, there's multiple different options depending on the size of your pet, different mounting options if you want to use a door, a wall, or a patio as you see here, and then also the height that you might need if you need a regular or a tall. And again, this is the tall option you see behind. They all do range in price. You can find it on their website. It might be a little pricey for those that aren't familiar with these, but with all the features you get, the peace of mind, the quiet motors, the ability to remotely monitor and utilize the open and close feature at any time, it makes it a no-brainer. I think this is great for any pet owner, especially if you have a smart home. This is going to be one of the best additions you can get for yourself and your pets. That's it for this one. Thanks for watching. We will catch you in the next one. Peace.